We learned how to play softball.
We learned about Civil War.
We learned how to graph equations.
We learned how to multiply fractions.
We learned how to relieve stress. We learned about physical and chemical changes. We learned how to play softball. We learned how to have fun! We learned about colonial times.
We learned new vocabulary.
We learned how to write poems.
We learned about traits.
We learned how to be a boat for a day.
We learned about math.
We learned how to divide, multiply, and add fractions.
We learned how to be confident.
We learned about drugs and how they're bad. We learned about earth science.
We learned how to graph ordered pairs.
We learned how to graph stuff on the y and x axis.
We learned how to do exponents. We learned how to turn decimals into fractions. We learned how to multiply decimals. We learned the rules for softball. We learned to read with fluency.
We learned how to divide decimals.
We learned how to use the good decision-making model. We learned how to make a complete circuit in science.
We learned how to multiply fractions. We learned how to make a chemical reaction.
We learned how to type on the computer. We learned how to graph equations.
We learned about the Civil War. We learned how to write checks.
We learned how to post decimals.
We learned how to use apostrophes.
We learned how to organize thoughts and ideas into a Foursquare.
We learned how to make deposits.
We learned how to make generalizations. We can remember our independence in the Revolutionary War.
We learned how to play softball.
We learned the difference between physical and chemical changes.
We learned how to write a full paragraph. We learned how to play softball.
We learned how to make friends.
We learned graphs.
We learned how to multiply fractions.
We learned air. We learned how to write essays.
We learned the difference between chemical and physical changes.
We learned fractions.
We learned how to make deposit tickets.
We learned how to write checks. We learned that everyone does everything. We learned how to make a Foursquare.
We learned about sports.
We learned how to graph equations.
We learned about exciting science.
We learned how to divide decimals. We learned how to times decimals. We learned math.
We learned electricity.
We learned how to type 25 words.
We learned the difference between chemical and physical changes.